Hello, hi friends. This is Hema this side, and she's my friend Natasha.
Hello.
We met after a long time, and we're friends for almost close to 5 years, I guess.
Way back, I think it's many years now. But we
Yeah,
have
but
yes,
we are meeting now after a long time.
yes. But good friends, whenever they meet, I think that time lapse always
Does
has
not.
that energy, and social media has always kept us together on
Yes,
Facebook.
yes, for sure.
And I owe a lot to Hema for her very genuine friendship that I have cherished till date.
Thank you so much for appreciating. I guess you yourself is a very good human being, a very good, very talented person, I would say. And hopefully we will stay connected
Yes,
now.
we will definitely.
We'll stay connected now to achieve something good more
Yes,
and to contribute to the
social
community.
cause basically.
Social
Yes,
cause in community.
we had started something a few years back also, but I think
Somehow it did not
didn't really
work.
materialize. But I think it is a good idea for to do for the community and take it further.
Yes,
And
and
we will
we are
definitely.
just thinking of doing it again.
And let's have some more common friends who can join in and talk
Be
on
part of
social causes.
be part of the
Yes,
cause and
yes.
do something good for the community,
Yes.
for the female, I
Yes,
guess.
yes.
So this is just a thought. Let's hope we'll get good friends along who will join us in this journey.
I'm sure they will. I'm sure. And basically, let's keep women empowerment and a lot of social issues that we can talk about. Like earlier, how we had discussed. Let's take this cause furthermore. Let's have more people joining in. Let's do a heart-to-heart talk. Let's genuinely get into this and share our views so that we can also share them with others. And let's make this community bigger. So we'll start today.
And we want to do something good for the society, especially for the females. So when we talk about women empowerment, it is always not about attaining or achieving some higher goals professionally or otherwise. एक फीमेल का फीमेल होना ही बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. इस संसार की संरचना जो है वो एक फीमेल है और सोसाइटी का जो पिलर है, आई बिलीव एक फीमेल है, एक माँ, एक बहन, एक बेटी, एक बहू के रूप में. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि हमको एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं बात करने जा रही हूँ कुछ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स की जो हर एक फीमेल किसी न किसी स्टेज पे शायद फेस करती है. If I'm right with that.
You're absolutely correct, Hema. It is basically women empowerment has been very close to my heart. I think it takes a woman a lot of courage to stand up for herself.
Yes.
Of course, she's a good homemaker, she's a mother, a wife, a daughter. But she also has her own identity, identity that she needs to make for herself, to make her financially very independent. It doesn't take her away from her house. Of course, whatever she's doing, it's for her own family and friends and for a better living, a better. It will take her and her family to another better, more this thing. And this also comes from a lot of education. So now, when we talk about education, a lot of young girls who, I mean, this cause is very close to my heart, are not really given that much encouragement, be it sports, be it studies or कोई भी फेस. अब हम हमेशा उसको बोलते हैं कि तुम थोड़ा पीछे होके रहो, भाई है तो तुम पहले थोड़ा पीछे होकर रहो, ये मेल में है तो उसको करने दो.
But I guess अभी तो जमाना बहुत बदल गया है, ऐसी नहीं. There
अगर
are so many changes now in this world, but practically what I'm trying to say is कि अब तो बहुत, जैसे मैंने कहा कि जमाना बदल गया है, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम बहुत सारे लेवल्स पे इक्वल लेवल पे हैं.
इक्वल लेवल
बट वो कहने की बात है. लेकिन जब आप
हाँ.
शादियों के जाते हैं, मेरा मेन बात कहने की है मैट्रिमोनियल इश्यूज एंड डिस्प्यूट्स को लेकर के, जहाँ जो रिलेशनशिप को बैलेंस करना पड़ता है, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली फॉर अ फीमेल अलॉट. अगर हम एक नया पौधा लगाते हैं और अगर उसको कहीं प्रॉपर वाटरिंग ना हो, सनलाइट ना मिले या कुछ और प्रॉब्लम, मुरझा जाता है. तो हम इसी तरह से जब एक नई लड़की एक फैमिली में आती है, तो जितने फैमिली के लोग हैं सब एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो एडजस्ट करें. तो क्या ये सही नहीं होगा कि उससे एक्सपेक्ट करने की बजाय कि वो एडजस्ट करे, उसको थोड़ा टाइम दिए टू अंडरस्टैंड द फैमिली एंड द एल्डर फैमिली ऑफ द एल्डर लेडी ऑफ द फैमिली, वो द मुखिया जैसे कह सकते हैं, द मदर इन लॉ, आई थिंक उसकी सपोर्ट बहुत ज्यादा रिक्वायर्ड रहती है। आपका थॉट जरूर जानना चाहूंगी। तो अगर कोई हमें सुन के किसी को ये बात अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज इस बारे में अपना
आपके
views
इनपुट जरूर देने हैं,
जरूर
क्योंकि
शेयर
हम
कीजिए।
जिस कॉज के लिए हम आगे इस चीज को बढ़ा रहे हैं, तो अगर आपके इनपुट्स या इनके आपके अच्छे व्यूज होंगे तो वो हमें इस चीज को आगे ले जाने के लिए जरूर हेल्प
बिल्कुल,
करेंगे।
बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच।